Why Eagle Advanced Speakers? I know that you understand that there's so many Toastmasters clubs to choose from. In our district, 1 through 3. In other districts in the area and around the world. What then makes Eagle Advanced Speakers special? Well, we're an advanced online club that meets every second and fourth Monday of the month. And our group of Toastmasters are truly dedicated to learning about public speaking and becoming better each and every meeting. The one big difference between many of the other Toastmasters clubs and ours is that we're an advanced club. And being an advanced club means that we have more experienced speakers. We're able to give you the one thing that will help you improve as a public speaker. And that is effective feedback. And at Eagles, we not only have speaker evaluations, as each and every Toastmasters meeting does, but we also have a round-robin session each and every day where we evaluate each speaker evaluative area and provide them with more in-depth feedback to help them grow. Because isn't that what we're here for? We're here to help all of our Eagles here at Eagle Advanced Speakers soar. And they truly can do that by incorporating that feedback they hear and implementing it in their speeches. And even the evaluators get better because they learn to look at different format changes that will make them better speaker evaluators. And that's truly why I joined Eagle Advanced Speakers. I joined Eagles because I was at a regular Toastmasters club. That was great. We had a great atmosphere, a lot of different social events. But the thing that I had to join Toastmasters for, in part, was to become a better public speaker. And I felt that every speech I did, the feedback would always come back generically the same. And I wanted more. I wanted more feedback to learn how to become a better, more effective speaker. And I hope that I am now that I'm at Eagles. Each and every time I'm at an Eagle Advanced Speakers meeting, I get a golden nugget. And this golden nugget helps me become a better speaker, evaluator, better at business because of our effective tips. It truly helps me to soar. I hope that you will get a chance to come to an Eagle Advanced Speakers meeting so that you can learn why Eagles soar. And we'd love to have you there.